On y'all, welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a woman that brings her daughter on a date with a new guy, and the guy goes off on her. Let's get into the video.
I'm supposed to pay for your food and the kid food.
Yes, what you want, baby? You want steak?
Steak?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you going on the ground. Why you got your child with us though? It wasn't part of the plan.
This is part of the plan.
It's not part of the plan.
If you want to date me, you date my child too.
I'm dating your child too?
Yes.
Oh, you wigged out. You wigged out. That wasn't. We supposed to eat our food, afterwards go back to the crib. I can't live.
First of all, we don't have to deal with
Come on, we going out. Yeah, we ain't doing this. I ain't even got the. Man, y'all tripping, bro. Y'all thought I was finna do that? Man, y'all tripping. Tripped out. Yeah, let me out. Let me get up out of here. Let me get up out of here. I'm gonna hold the door for you though. I ain't gonna do you like that. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. But you know, that wasn't part of the plan. That wasn't part of the plan. I'm with both of y'all. I don't even know you for real. See, that's why I can't be dating. I can't be dating for real. Cause ain't no telling what's really going on. Yeah, you on my page. You on my page. You on my page. Nah, I'm cool. I already got kids, baby. I ain't no stepdaddy. Hey, tell me I ain't no stepdaddy. Stepdaddy season. Man, listen up. Can't afford.
No, baby.
Look what you got on. Look what, man. Come on, man. You can't even afford the baby real clothes. Look at the baby. Y'all tripping, man. Look, go to your car. I ain't got time. Look, bro. I don't got time for this. Look, a steak. She talking about a steak. Go on somewhere. We got people in the car. Go on. This y'all doing too much. I'm not doing none of that. I'm not paying for you and the girl, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Y'all go back to the crib. You know what I mean? No. The plan was, like I said from the jump, Netflix. How much though? For the girl right there, though. I'm not doing it.
Can you just buy us some steak?
I'm not stepdaddy. What I tell you?
Can you buy us a steak?
No, you can go buy your own steak.
Wow, that's
Go on and get your own steak. Go on. Why are you following me? No, you can't get nothing, baby. You can get in the car and put the gas in the car and get to the crib.
the bread is free.
I ain't got nothing to do with that. You can go to the car. Go to the car.
That's what I'm about to do.
Yeah, go to the car.
My phone no more either.
I won't. That's who? And you finally leaving. Look, she fine. Oh, we gonna follow you. Gonna make sure you get to the car. No, I'm following you now. Look, get to the car. Nope, get to your car. You going on my gram. You going viral today. You going viral. You going viral. Yeah, get in the car. I ain't even finna play with you, bro. I'm waiting on my Uber anyway. What? You got more kids?
Yeah.
You got more kids. Oh no. Oh no. You got more kids too? What they gonna do? Eat some bread too? Nah, bro, you tripping. And you talking about some steak. You got how many kids in there? Oh, you got 3 of them.
Anyway, we can't afford us.
Yeah, y'all can afford the car that y'all in and get gone. Get gone. Where my Uber at? I've been waiting on this Uber for 30 minutes already. Y'all tripping. Let me go across the street. She ain't gonna even follow me. She got 3 more kids.
Wind these windows up, man. We about to get into it. Okay, so first things first. Have that conversation beforehand. Now, she did say that she told him that she did have children. Respect. Much respect for that. But you show up to, I don't know if that was a date or whatever you want to call it, and you have your child with you, and you didn't inform that man. I think it is like common courtesy, like, hey, you know, going through a rough time right now, don't have a babysitter. Is it okay? Is it okay with you if I bring my daughter, if I bring my children with me? And if you don't have a babysitter, it's other things that you honestly need to be focusing on instead of dating. You know, she kept saying, you know, can we at least get some bread? She started off with a steak, though. She started off by saying, baby, what you want, a steak? Who paying for this? Respectfully. Like, who? Come on, man. You already done tried to show up and bring your daughter along without my knowledge. Not cool, man. Not cool. And your boy, I'm guessing they already had plans. They were supposed to get something to eat and then Netflix and chill. He kept saying that, and she didn't disagree, so I'm pretty sure this was already a transactional type of date. I respect that. All right, y'all talked about this beforehand. Why could y'all not have the conversation? Hey, you know, I got my children along with me today. The conversation should have been had, honestly, respectfully. And let's get to your boy, fam. Your boy childish, man. Your boy is extremely childish. He's sitting there cutting up and laughing at, like, bro, come on, man, who does stuff like this? You gonna be famous today, or I'm putting you on the gram. That's a chap move. That's some childish stuff. For you to be a grown man and you're acting like this, come on, fam. Like, what are you doing? And then your boy said he's waiting on his Uber. You ain't got no car, fam? You sitting there trying to bash her. She got wheels. You ain't got no car? And you trying to talk about her? See, listen, I know, you know, people go through, they go through or whatever. But under what? I don't understand why in the world are you clowning her and you don't even have transportation? Like, I think, my bad, y'all. Gas cars. No, I'm joking. But I honestly believe that both of them, well, neither of them honestly should be dating right now. They need to get their priorities in order, get their priorities in check. You know, my thing is, if you don't have a place to stay, transportation, you know, like those things like that. I mean, most people, you need transportation, fam. And before you start to date, you need to focus on those things first before you start going out here trying to date anybody. Anyway, man, I want to hear from y'all, man. What do y'all think about this particular video? Man, y'all, please drop a comment down below and let's talk about it, all right? Until the next time, man, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. People crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was, you know they roll.